IELTS Life Skills A1 Spouse Visa Test.
This is IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test. My name's Angelina. I am your interlocutor for IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test. It is 3rd June 2023 today. Test 2, examiner number 1722. Candidate A, what's your full name?
Nisha Han.
What can I call you?
You can call me Nisha.
Can you spell your name?
Yes. Nishakhan.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Gujarat, Pakistan.
And what do you do?
I'm a healthcare provider.
How long it's been you're working?
It's about 3 years I'm working.
What do you like about your work?
It's very calm and smooth, and the environment is very peaceful there.
And what kinds of jobs people do in your country?
People in my country do different jobs. Some are lawyers, some are engineers, some are businessmen, some are carpenters, some are shopkeepers.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Candidate A. Candidate B, what's your full name?
My full name Ruqayya Adam.
What can I call you?
You can call me Ruqayya.
Can you spell your name?
Yes, Ruqia. Ruqayya.
Where do you come from?
I'm from Somalia.
And what do you do?
I'm a housewife.
Do you use internet?
Yes, I use internet every day.
Okay. And what do you do every day?
I watch movie. I study online. I have a classmate with my teacher, and I go park to walk. Yeah.
Okay. What kinds of clothes do you like to wear?
I like simple clothes to wear.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Candidate B. Now, Candidate A, you will question Candidate B about using internet, okay? And Candidate B, you will question Candidate A about traveling around the city. Now, you both have 1 minute to think about your questions. You may take notes if you wish. So first, Candidate A, ask your questions from Candidate B about using internet. You have only 2 minutes and your time begins now.
Ruqayya, do you use internet?
Yes, I use internet every day.
Which device do you use for using internet?
I use Wi-Fi internet.
Do you use mobile phone or laptop for using internet?
I use phone and laptop. Use it every day.
Do you think internet plays an important role in our life?
Yes, it is important our life. Yeah, it is easy to use.
Do you use internet to connect with your family?
Yes, I use internet with my family to connect. Yeah.
Do you use internet to watch movies?
Yes, I use internet to watch. Yeah.
Do you use internet to watch YouTube videos?
Yes, I use internet every day to watch YouTubes. Yeah.
Do you use internet to take information?
Yes, I use internet to take information about Google like this. Yeah.
Do you use internet to read news?
Yes, I use read news or watching news. Yes, I use internet every day.
Do you use social media by using internet?
Yes, I use social media. I use internet.
Do you see fashion shows by using internet?
Yes, I use internet.
Do you watch dramas by using internet?
Yes, I watch dramas when I use internet. Yeah.
Do you visit historical places on YouTube by using internet?
No, I don't. I don't like it to watch historical places and use YouTube, but I like to go historical places. Yeah.
Do you use
Yes.
internet to send mails?
Yes, I like to send mail.
Thank
internet.
you. Thank you so much, candidate A, for your questions. Now, candidate B, please ask your questions from candidate A about the given topic. You only have 2 minutes to question and your time begins now.
Okay. Do you like to go around city?
Yes,
Travel?
I like to go around the city.
Where do you like to go around city?
I like to go to nearby park.
Do you like to go bar and restaurant around city?
Yes, I like to go to the restaurant.
Do you like to go to see some friends in the park?
Yes, I like to see my friends around my city.
Do you like to go cinema around city?
Yes, on weekends I go to cinema around the city.
How often do you go to cinema around the city?
I go on weekends in cinemas around the city.
With who do you like to go around the city?
I like to go with my family around the city.
Do you like how to travel about around the city?
I travel by my car around the city.
Do you like to go around the city historical places?
Yes, I like to go to the historical places around my city.
Do you like to go around the city museum?
Yes, I usually go to the museum around the city.
Do you like to go around the city shopping?
Yes, I go on weekends to do shopping around the city.
Do you like to go hospital around the city?
Yes, when I am not uh, feeling well, I go to the hospital around the city.
Do you like to go salon around the city? Salon.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much, candidate B, for your questions. Now, phase 2B. Discussion first. Candidate A and candidate B talk to each other about parties. You have only 3 minutes and your time begins now.
Rukaiya, do you want to go to parties?
Yes, I like to go party. What about you? Do you like to go party?
Yes, I also like to go to the parties. What kind of parties do you like to go?
I like to go party, birthday, and I like to go celebrate at home or outside. What do you about you?
I like wedding parties, birthday parties, picnic parties, anniversary parties. Do you attend birthday parties of your friends?
Yes, I go attend birthday parties with my friends.
How often do you go to the birthday parties?
I go then twice in the month. What
What
about you?
whenever there is a birthday party of my friend, I go there. What do you like to wear on the birthday parties?
I like to wear casual clothes and I like to wearing jewelry like this.
Do you
Do you
attend
like to
wedding
wear
parties?
again,
Sorry,
please? What do you say?
do you like to attend wedding parties?
Yes, I like to attend birthday parties.
How often do you attend wedding parties?
Uh, Once in the month.
Okay. Do you go to the picnic parties?
Yes, I like to go picnic parties with
With
my
whom?
friends.
Okay.
What about
Did
you?
you?
Do you like to go picnic parties?
Yes, once in a month I go to the picnic parties with my family and sometimes with my friends. Do
Where do
you
you
like
like
to go? I like to
picnic?
go to nearby places which are near to my house. Do you like to go to the anniversary parties?
University parties?
Yes.
No, I don't like it.
Okay. What do you like
Yes.
to wear on wedding parties?
When in Paris, I like to wear a dress,
Which
new
kind of
dress.
dresses do you wear on wedding parties?
I like sometimes dress, a blue dress and casual or like this. I like that.
Do you like to listen
Clothes.
music on picnic parties?
Yes, I like to listen music parties. Do you
What do
like
you
to
like
go?
to what?
Do you like to go birthday parties? In your to invite your friends, your birthday party.
Yes. Yes, I invite my friends on my birthday party. Do you
Do you?
invite your friends on your birthday party?
Yes, I like. Do you like to give gift birthday parties?
Yes, I give gifts to my friends and family on birthday parties. Do you like to have surprises on birthday parties?
Yes, I like to have a surprise in birthday parties. Do you like to go shopping birthday parties?
No, I don't go to shopping on birthday party. I stay at home.
Do you
Do you
like to
take
watch
pictures?
movie birthday parties?
No, I don't like to watch movie on my birthday party. Do you like to take pictures on your birthday party?
Yes, I like to take pictures in my birthday party. Do you like to dancing birthday parties?
No, I don't like to dance. Do you like to dance on birthday party?
Yes, I like with my friends to listen music and dancing. Yeah,
What do you like to eat on picnic parties?
I like to eat pizza, rice and chicken chips like this. I like that. What about you? What do you like to eat picnic parties?
I eat homemade things such as biryani, kofte, etc. on picnic parties. Do you like to cook on your birthday party?
No, I don't like. I like on delivery, order delivery.
Do you
Thank
like to
you.
bake
Thank you
cake?
so much, candidate A and candidate B. This is the end of phase 2B. Now, I'm going to share the screen with you, and we are going to solve a listening test together. All right, candidate A, you will tell me what is the information about in recording 1, friends, birthday, or traveling. Candidate B, you will tell me what is the information about in recording 2, friends, birthday, or traveling. Let's listen to the recording first.
Today is 1st of October, and this day is very special to me, because it's my birthday. Every year I celebrate this day with my friends and family members. On this day I arrange party at my home. I invite guests and prepare some delicious dishes. I get lot of gifts on this day, but my favorite gift is book, as it helps me to learn something new and exciting. I decorate my house for party, and wear new cloth. These are the ways I spend my birthday.
Recording 2. Friend is a part of our lives. We can't live without friend. I have 15 friends, but my best friend is John. I like spending time with my friends. Most of the time we like traveling various places, going to the movies, attending parties and having fun. I like most playing sports with my friends. My favorite sport is tennis, so I play it with them at our college playground.
Candidate A, please open your mic and tell me what is the information about in recording 1, friend's birthday or traveling?
It's about birthday.
Thank you. Candidate B, what is the information about in recording 2, friends, birthday or traveling?
Friends.
Thank you. Now listen again and answer these questions. Candidate B, in the first recording, when is her birthday and what is her favorite gift? Candidate A, in the second recording, how many friends does he have and what is his favorite sport? Let's listen once again.
Today is 1st of October, and this day is very special to me, because it's my birthday. Every year I celebrate this day with my friends and family members. On this day I arrange party at my home, I invite guests and prepare some delicious dishes. I get lot of gifts on this day, but my favorite gift is book, as it helps me to learn something new and exciting. I decorate my house for party, and wear new cloth. These are the ways I spend my birthday.
Recording 2. Friend is a part of our lives. We can't live without friend. I have 15 friends, but my best friend is John. I like spending time with my friends. Most of the time we like traveling various places, going to the movies, attending parties and having fun. I like most playing sports with my friends. My favorite sport is tennis, so I play it with them at our college playground.
All right, candidate B, from the first recording, when is her birthday?
1st October.
Thank you. And what is her favorite gift?
Book.
Thank you. Candidate A, in the second recording, how many friends does he have?
He has 15 friends.
And what is his favorite sport?
Tennis.
Thank you. This is the end of the test. You both have passed IELTS Life Skills A1 Speaking and Listening Test.